Hey everybody, got a new cooking gadget to unbox. You want to see it? Huh? I know you do. When was the last time I had a new cooking gadget? Not long ago. I'm a gadget man. Always was, always will be. Oh, look what's in here. Oh, the best kind. Box in a box. You know what it is yet? Of course you know what it is. Where's my knife? That's not a knife. Oh, that's a knife. Oh, it's upside down. I assume, so you know what I'm going to do? I'll go like this. And you'll see it before me. You see it? Oh, Elechomes rice cooker, multi-cooker. Look at this. This is amazing. Look at this. Multi-function rice cooker, multi-cooker. We're gonna make it, right? All right. User manual. Styrofoam. This is nice. Look at that. Nice and compact. But it cooks 10 cups of rice, among many other things. Put this back here so you remember what it is. How could you forget? Elechomes model CR502 microcomputer electric rice cooker. LED display. All right, hang on. Let's look at it. Look at that. That's so nice. Got a handle. Carry it away. Locking lid. Whoa. Inside we have power cord, a rice spoon, which is always good when you have a rice cooker, a ladle, which I always like. This attachment is to, we're going to find out what this attachment is. A steaming basket, measuring cup, beautiful non-stick pot, measurements all in there, handles in case it's hot when you pick it up out of there. See? Steam vent on top here that you can take out and clean. See? When you get rice up in there or steam. Oh, somebody's awake back there. You know who's awake? That guy. Pay no attention to the machine behind the box. Let's open the instructions here. Warranty card, user manual. That's beautiful. Okay, this cooks rice, soup, stew. You could fry in here. You could bake in here. Pasta, pizza, yogurt, oatmeal, dessert, steam, broad beans, milk, porridge, cake. You could reheat. 4 modes: programming mode, preset mode, keep warm mode, standby mode, pizza. Look at fried chicken wings, cake. On top of being a rice cooker, it's a cake maker, a pizza maker, yogurt, bacon, mushroom, pasta. What are we gonna try first? Directions. Oh man. Yeah, this is a steam exhaust valve. Just read that. I'm gonna learn about it. I'm gonna plug it in right now. Right, here's the power cord. This is a scoop holder, scoop shelf. You can put your spoons in there you're using at the time. Let's plug this in. Power cord goes in back here. Easy, one way. Let's plug it into the wall and watch this light up. Press menu, and you can go through all your menus. Can you see that okay? Menu, rice cooking, soup, and it goes to preset times. Stewing, preset times, but you can change that as well, I'm sure. Frying, temperature, time, baking, brown rice, pasta, pizza. Imagine pizza in a rice cooker. Yogurt, oatmeal, dessert, steaming, broad beans, milk porridge, cake, reheat. And you can go to a customized setting if you like. Let's see. Preset, you can delay start, keep warm, off. All right. Elechomes. I'm gonna like that. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna go through the book and see what we're gonna create with this. I might make some rice because it's a rice cooker, but I'd like to steam some vegetables as well. I'd like to try a pizza in there. That's gonna be amazing, isn't it? Multi-cooker, just what I need in my kitchen. Again, excuse the noise back there. Somebody's baking something back there. You know what that is, maybe. All right, everybody. Well, I'll put a link down there. Check it out. I can't wait. It's a great size, solid, beautiful. Elechomes, electric multi-cooker. So subscribe and stop back tomorrow, and you're gonna see a delicious creation in here. Can't wait. This is gonna be great. You're gonna see this on my counter. All right, everybody. I'll talk to you soon. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's nice.